Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail tips and tricks on laptop. And in this video, I will show you how the important settings you need to turn on right now for password leak or password breach or password compromise on your Gmail account in your Gmail account without any stress, in order to protect and secure every password you have in your Gmail account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to log into your Gmail account, and the next thing you want to do is click on the profile icon, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate to manage your Google account right here, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on password manager right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon right here, and it's going to take you right here. Password alert. Google will notify you when your safe password are found online. Go ahead and make sure you turn on this. Once you turn on this, if your password is leaked or compromised on any app or website, Google is going to give you a quick notification, which can be email or it can be a notification direct from Google banner on your phone or on your PC. With that, you can quickly take important action based on your password leak or password compromise from web or any apps as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about online security tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.